Hey everyone, Terry Brighton here in cold, friggin' cold Wingham, Ontario. It's like, 5 or 6 Fahrenheit outside, but it is really cold. But anyways, I have another small block Mopar on the stand. This one here is for Gabe in Illinois. It's going in his dirt. It's pretty much a stock build. It's got a bit better than stock cam. It's a Summit cam, 1789. And it's got KB 243 pistons in it, so it's a little better than stock. It's got the 72 block. It's got the original crank in it. It's turned 1010, and it's fully balanced, externally balanced. Larry at St. Clair Engines in Richmond, Michigan did all the machine work to it, and it's 30 over. I do have a stock 340 intake that goes with it, but I had that Holley Street Dominator that I put on it for to break it in and to get it running good here. Gabe's he's getting the exhaust manifolds too for it, but this 340 would like it a lot better with headers. So anyways, let's start this up for Gabe so he knows how it sounds. Turn the hydro down a little bit. Just a 600 carb that goes with the deal. It's brand new. Stock rockers on it. Broke the cam in last week. It went really good. When I break the cams in, I use Castro and the Lucas stuff too. Little smoother of a cam than I'm used to. Still sounds okay. Sounds like a 340, I think. And there's Gabe's 340. Thanks for watching, guys.